Stop calling salt ordinary salt. Salt is more than ordinary. Salt has a lot of powerful spiritual uses. If you don't know, I'm going to be showing you that in this video. Okay, you are welcome back, awesome people. My name is Lukman, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you powerful ways you can use salt to benefit your life. There are so many ways you can use salt. Salt is very, very powerful. I have seen a lot of people going through difficulties, and when I tell them that they should get salt and do some things, the complaint they give me is that ordinary salt, how can it do anything? But in this video, I'm going to be looking at the spiritual benefit and the spiritual uses of salt. The first uses of salt is used for cleansing. You can use salt to cleanse yourself. If you are feeling some negativity, or you think things are not working for you, things are difficult, you have tried this, you have tried that, you have tried different recipes, or you have tried different businesses, but things seems to be difficult, then you can engage in spiritual salt cleansing. I have done a video talking about salt cleansing. I'm not going to be going into detail in that. So the first uses of salt is for cleansing. You can use it to cleanse yourself. That is number one. I'm going to be linking the video I have done talking about cleansing yourself. In fact, I have done more than one video talking about cleansing yourself. So you can do yourself that favor by checking the description. I'm going to be putting it up. At the same time, I'll put it in the description where you check up that video on spiritual cleansing. Salt spiritual cleansing. You just use salt to cleanse yourself. Add it into your bath water and use it. Just follow the video. So the second way, or the second powerful use of salt, is that you can use salt to cleanse your home. You can use salt to cleanse your home. The first one was talking about cleansing yourself of negativity. You can use salt to cleanse your home of negativity or negative energy, negative vibes. If you notice that your home, things are not the way they should, things are just somehow. There are a lot of quarrels, there are a lot of anger, there are so many things are not moving on well in that house. You can do spiritual cleansing. Or maybe you had a visitor and you just feel you don't like the energy of this particular visitor. After the person left, after the person have gone, then you can cleanse your home. So how do you do this? What you do is simple. You can just use the water, normal water, soap, and your mop to clean the whole place. Then you get a fresh water, a clean water. Then get a handful of salt. Make sure you use your right hand to take the salt. Don't use your left. Make sure you use the right hand to scoop some salt, enough handful, and put in the water. In that water, then you use it as the last resort to clean your home. You use it to clean every part of your home. Alternatively, you can also use salt to, you just spread the salt, just sprinkle the salt in the corners of your home, your living room, your all the rooms in your home. Just use salt, just sprinkle the salt everywhere. I've also done a video on that. I will link that. Just sprinkle the salt. This takes away the negative vibes, the negative energy in your homes. It takes away the negative energy in your homes. Then another one, which is the third I'm discussing now, is that I guess some people don't even know this, that you can use salt to attract money into your life. You can use salt to attract money into your life. I've just done a video. I've also done a video talking about using salt to attract money into your life. All you need to do is just get a jar. Just get the salt jar. The salt, everybody has salt jar in his or her house. The one you use in cooking, normal salt that you use in cooking. Just get it. Make sure you fill it every Friday. You fill it. This is a salt jar. This is a salt jar. So make sure you fill it. You every Friday you open it and fill it. Make sure it is filled. It is filled to the top, and you lock it and you keep it in your house. Just put it in your kitchen. You'll be using it, and every Friday make sure you fill it. I have done a video talking about things, spiritual things that should not leave your home. And salt, the number one ingredient in that in those natural items that should not leave your home is salt. Salt is the number one there. So I'm going to be linking that also. So salt, you can use salt to attract money. And that is just one way of attracting money, by doing they call it the salt refill. They have done a video. I'm going to be linking it. So all you need to do is every Friday, make sure you fill your salt, normal cooking salt jar. You fill it and you keep it. So that's one way of using salt to attract money. You can also use salt to attract money. I've done a video where you can just get two glass cup and fill it with salt. You use one to wash, you use one to wash your hand, you use the other to flush it away. I've done a video. I'm going to be linking that. I'm just trying to show you that what you call ordinary salt is not ordinary. It's not ordinary. It's something that's very powerful. It's very, very, very powerful. So another way by which you can use salt for spirituality is that if you purchase a land, if you are building, especially for those of us who are at home, who are in our country, Nigeria, if you want to build a house, if you want to lay a foundation to a building, just buy salt. Buy like the bag of salt. Make sure after they have dug the foundation, make sure you put salt around all the foundation. Make sure you put salt around the foundation. What you are doing is that you are cleansing that land of any impurity. That's number one. Of any negativity. Before they start building, all the foundations they will be making it on that salt. And what you are telling the universe, what you are telling the Almighty, what you are telling nature is that I'm cleansing this land of any negativity. And once you clear anything of negativity, the next thing that comes is positivity. I bet you if you try this, you realize that you find it easier. You build that house, you finish that house in good time. And when you start living in that house, you would not have problem of negativity. Or you already have the house, you have the building. Once in a while, just buy the bag of salt and use it to run the whole building. Run the whole building. Or in the four corners, you can just dig holes and put enough salt. And in the entrance to your home, just dig somewhere and put enough of this salt. Try to be doing this once in a while, maybe twice or thrice in a year, or at most, or at least if you cannot do it 3 times or 2 times, just do it. Make sure you do it once every year. What you are doing is you are ridding your home of negativity and you are attracting positivity to that home. Maybe I should also tell you this. One of the power of salt is so powerful. In the olden days, salt is one of the most item of trade. Is the most item used in trading. They buy us, they pay with salt. They buy this, they pay with salt. They buy gun, they pay with salt. Salt is used as a medium of exchange in the olden days. Another thing is that wars are fought because of salt. Wars are fought. I bet some people don't know this, but you can do your research. Wars are fought because of salt. So that is telling you the importance of salt. Salt is very powerful. If you have a lot of problems, instead of running helter-skelter, the first thing to do is to use salt. Just learn to use salt and you come and thank me for the rest of your life. Another powerful uses of salt is if you are feeling kind of strange in your body, or you have some sickness. It's not really as if you are sick, you are down, but your body is just making one kind, you don't understand. You are feeling low in energy, you are feeling low in spirit. All you need to do is simple. Or there is a sickness that you cannot explain. Test, medical science they were unable to diagnose what exactly is wrong with you. Very simple. Just get salt. Get salt. Get salt. Get hot water. If you cannot use cold water, use hot water. I'm not saying hot, at least warm water. Use hot water with salt and use it to bathe. You are going to be using this to bathe by 12 in the midnight, 12 a.m. It should be between 12 and 1. It shouldn't be more than that. Between 12 a.m. and 1 a.m. is when you are going to use it to bathe. You use it to bathe. As you are bathing, anyhow you know how to pray. Pray into it before you even go ahead to bathe. Pray into it. Read all the psalms that you understand how to read. If you are a Muslim, read all the verses, all the surahs that you know. Just pray into it. Say your intentions. Give your intentions. Tell God, this unknown sickness that you have, God, come and take it away. Take it away. I don't know, but by bathing this salt, I know salt can cleanse me. This salt, come and take it away. And you should bath it between 12 and 1 a.m. You should bath it between 12 and 1 a.m. Just do it and see. This will rid you of any sickness that you don't really understand. Another powerful uses of salt, your use of salt, is it brings your energy back. And I want you to be doing this one I'm going to be discussing as a regular exercise. Be doing it regularly. Whenever you go out to work, especially if you work in a very you do a tedious job, or your work is far from home and you do a lot of work, you are tired. By the time you get home, you are tired. Make sure as you are getting back home, as you are getting back, before anything, go straight to the bedroom, take hot water, add salt, and use it to bathe. This will give you your energy back. It will restore your energy. So don't joke with salt. Never call salt ordinary. Salt is not ordinary. I'm bringing this to you because a lot of people are suffering. They are suffering, and they are suffering in silence when they have something they can use. Salt is readily available. It is not expensive. You can get it. In your kitchen, you have it. You can use it. You don't need to start looking for sea salt or Himalayan salt or pink salt. Normal cooking salt, table salt will do the magic. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. Hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that when next I release videos, you'll be the first to be notified. If you have any comment, just go to the comment box, leave your comment, and I readily answer. Until I come your way again, remain spiritually intelligent, and don't forget, we can succeed together. Thanks.